how to lock Facebook profile. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook app, and if you have got multiple accounts, make sure to log into the account which you want to lock. After that, you have to tap on the 3-bar horizontal line which is in the right upper corner, and from over here you have to go to the settings which is right next to the search bar. And after that, you have to scroll down below a little bit and you'll be able to see the profile locking option, so you have to go through it. So here I have already locked my profile. If you haven't locked my profile, then you'll be able to see the lock option instead of unlock option. And before locking, you need to read that only friends can see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. Only friends can see your full size photo, picture and cover photo. People can still search for you and send you friend requests. So if you are agreed with these 3 conditions, then you can go for lock option, and by tapping on lock, you'll be asked whether you want to lock your profile really or not, and after that you have to confirm it, and by doing that your profile will be locked. So by following this simple step, you can lock your Facebook profile. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.